So I'm going to be showing you guys the two trades I took yesterday. This particular one is USDJPY. So I took this trade yesterday on New York section, and I waited for price to come to my PY down here. You can see that I marked that zone down perfectly, and I waited patiently for price to tap into that zone. After price did that, I waited for a confirmation. So after price gave me my confirmation, and it gave me an entry point right over here. So this was my entry point right here. So I thought after price got to that zone and price gave me that confirmation that it's about to react from that zone. So I took my entry from around here. I set my stop loss right below this zone, and I targeted this nearest draw of liquidity right here. I'm going to be showing you guys live because I posted this particular setup on the free community on Telegram. So let me show you. So this was where I posted this particular signal, USDJPY buy setup. Then I dropped the stop loss, and you can see that this was where price was, and then you can see how price reacted to that now, and this was the outcome. I also took another one on EURUSD. So this was where price was. So we actually smashed TP on this one. Let me show you on the charts. EURUSD. This was also a very clean trade, guys. I love this setup. When I saw it, I didn't even think twice before I took this particular trade. So there's a reason why I marked out this zone. I marked out this was the key level. I wouldn't go deep because this is not the class for that. If you want to sign up for my mentorship, you can apply for that. And I got my entry from around here. This is a sniper entry, and I set my stop loss right above this eye here, and I targeted somewhere around this zone, so around here. So you can see that price smashed TP on that. So I'm already out of this trade already with my profit. So if you are new to the channel, kindly make sure you subscribe to stay active, to stay connected for daily setups, and you can also use the link to join my free community where you can get daily setup, trade bias, trade news, and all, to scale up. It's a community where we don't hide anything, we just do pure analysis. So if you actually want to learn a strategy, I think this channel is the best place for you. So see you guys